Winterton is a quaint town in Newfoundland and Labrador. Originally known as Seal Cove or Silly Cove, the town was renamed Winterton in 1912 to honor Sir James Spearman Winter, a former Prime Minister of Newfoundland. Winterton is located on Trinity Bay, on the western side of the Avalon Peninsula, along Newfoundland's beautiful east coast. The area's bedrock is made up of Precambrian-era gray and black shale, and the soil is a stony, acidic loam with a classic podzol profile. If you're a history buff, don't miss the Winterton Boat Building and Community Museum, now known as the Wooden Boat Museum of Newfoundland and Labrador. It preserves ancient boat building techniques and tools, and you can see newly constructed boats and axe-hewn timbers. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Winterton, Newfoundland.